Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my DoorDash. Actually, it's my transporter with DoorDash. This is my 100th DoorDash. I just completed it. This was actually to the post office from Applebee's. Not bad. It was a double. It was a double run. And real short, so I made real good money on that one. I did one earlier this morning. It was 6 miles out, 12 miles back. It was a double, and it was only $3 per delivery. It was a double. And running right. Thank God I was right in the neighborhood, so it still came out to $6, but the one delivery, she actually gave me a cash tip, which was great. That did the whole thing. Let's see what else. Oh, I got going this morning, and on 2 deliveries from Walmart. Again, one of them was an alcohol, so you had to scan the ID before you made the delivery. So keep that in mind. It's going to give you the scan, and then you're going to scan it. And if it says it doesn't take it, then you're going to have to type in it manually and then have the customer sign on your phone. So that was that one. Let's see what else. Quick. Something else. Oh yeah, I got going on one, and when I got it all done, I thought I delivered, mixed the deliveries, and one of my deliveries was right back in the same neighborhood. So I did get on here and text my customer on both of them to make sure that they'd gotten the right order, and unfortunately I didn't get any answers from either one. So the one that I just went back to, it was correct. So real important to write down your mileage, or write down your addresses for each one. It gets kind of confusing because each one had at least 30 items back there, so I had to split them up, make sure they're separated, and go in. I don't know why my mind kept thinking I delivered to the wrong address, but for me, I start getting bubbles in my stomach. You double check, make sure you deliver it to the right place. And sometimes the app will freeze up, so it'll get you kind of screwed up. So just double check on that. Also now I can go into my app there and get my ratings. I'm still trying to figure out why I'm at 90% on my acceptance. I've accepted every single one. 100% delivery, 98% rating for each customer. So I don't understand why my acceptance rate is so low. So I don't know. Maybe that has to do with scheduling and then not taking the schedule. So I don't know whether that has anything to do with it or not. So, all right, I'm gonna let you go. So this is celebrating my 100th delivery, and I've been at it for 2 months now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You can catch me on my next my transporter with DoorDash. I do recommend that you get you a ledger and then keep track of all your dashes for the day, and then make sure you're putting all your mileage down, start and finish, so you have those at the end of the year for tax deductions. because you're getting paid daily, and you're not taking any taxes out of it. So at the end of the year, you're gonna have to pay taxes on it. You're not doing it quarterly. So anyway, we'll put you on the next DoorDash.